Hey, crypto family. So I got a good video for y'all today. We're going to talk about the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, then cover the APR boost for the WEX token, and finally some analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and MATIC and where they're going from here. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So a big article came out today from CNBC. It says El Salvador looks to become the world's first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. So I'm sure you've seen this on Twitter. It's been posted a lot over the past couple of hours. Basically, the key points of this article, it says El Salvador President Nayib Bukele plans to introduce legislation that will make it the world's first sovereign nation to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Bukele broadcast his intentions on a video at the Bitcoin 2021 conference in Miami. So everyone knows the conference is going on right now in Miami. It's a huge conference. Everyone's talking about it. And for this guy to basically broadcast that on a video at the Bitcoin 2021 conference is huge. And this one, I think it's going to help push Bitcoin adoption sooner rather than later. I think one, just really any country that's kind of willing to take that step kind of gets people talking, and then slowly but surely it kind of starts getting towards more countries, and you kind of have that almost adoption mindset to where other countries don't want to be left out, so then they start adopting it as well. So basically, again, they're trying to look to introduce legislation that will make it world's first sovereign nation to adopt Bitcoin. So it's not permanent yet, but again, they are having talks with it, and that is big for the cryptocurrency space, because people who know El Salvador is a largely cash economy where 70% of people do not have bank accounts or credit cards. So again, and they also have an incumbent service charge that can charge 10% or more in fees for those international transfers. So basically, having Bitcoin as currency, again, it'll inhibit those transfer rates, so it won't be 10% transfer rates like they are. It'll be very, very cheap. And then also there's actually some big people like Adam Back, who's the CEO of Blockstream. He says he plans to contribute technologies like Liquid and satellite infrastructure to make El Salvador a model for the world. So again, helping to provide that satellite infrastructure so people can access Bitcoin from wherever. And again, because some people are constrained to they don't have a lot of internet access basically. So basically this will help them even further adopt that. So I think this is very, very bullish, and basically I am very bullish on the president actually helping to adopt Bitcoin and kind of push this legislation forward so we can actually get that going, and it'll actually be very bullish for cryptocurrency in general. So expect to hear more about this. I'll keep covering this later on when there's updates about it and when they do provide that legislation. But I think that's definitely bullish news. Now next is the Walt Finance. So the WEX token I talked about yesterday, I made a video on it, and basically they're doing an airdrop. You need to have the token staked in their locking vault by June 11th. But the biggest thing was the APR was only 34%, and people wanted to stake their tokens in the WEX only staking farm, which was providing 175%. Well, Walt Finance heard that, and then they released just 2 hours ago 3x boost for WEX 30 days lock staking pool. So if you go to app.walt.finance, you see for the 30-day locking vault here, APR is now 95%, so a lot more comparable to what it is in the farm. So definitely gives people incentive to start staking in this locking vault now. Again, it is locked for 30 days, but you have to stake in here to be eligible for the WEX Poly airdrop. So basically it's like free money for that airdrop. So again, I believe June 11th is when the cutoff date is for the snapshot, so definitely make sure you have your token staked here by June 11th, and definitely go on their Twitter at Walt_finance to find more details about this, and I'll provide some links in the description and comments as well. So looking at the coins today, we can see a lot of coins are down, unfortunately. There is some big news actually. Elon Musk, and I'll actually go ahead and search that so you can see here. Elon Musk posted a tweet, and basically he did have his Sailor Moon profile picture where it has that picture where she has laser eyes and there's a Bitcoin logo on her clothes. Now he's actually blacked out his Twitter, and he says, "Don't kill what you hate, save what you love." He says, "Goods and services are the real economy. Any form of money is simply the accounting thereof." So again, he's playing with people's emotions back and forth. Basically he's kind of saying in a way cryptocurrency is simply the accounting thereof of goods and services. So again, people took that as negative, and you saw the sell-off that we had in the market. So it's kind of been annoying that people have been really catering, one way or another. Now again, it was good when he was talking bullish about it. Now not so much. But hopefully, again, the tweets will have less of an effect. But I think in the end, again, he doesn't mean bad, but he's just trying to it's trying to make things better as far as energy efficiency and that. But yeah, definitely just be on the lookout. A lot of his tweets are affecting the market right now. Now for some analysis for Bitcoin here. So we can see that right now we did break this support line to the downside of 35,800. So looking for us to reclaim this support level, and then we'll start retesting these micro supports around 40,000, or micro resistance, sorry, of around $40,000, then push to that $42,000 level. Now, if we continue to the downside here, next I'm looking to buy more at 33,000. So some big ranges here has been between this 32,000 level all the way up to this 42,000 level. So this has been the range that we've been in mostly, and again, this range is one that I think will stay in for a little bit longer. We could possibly continue down, but I think we'll probably stop around here, this 33,000, and then continue upward and continue to bounce until we have a catalyst to push us one way or the other. Next, looking at Ethereum. So Ethereum, right now, respecting these two trend lines that we drew. Again, I haven't changed these at all. This green trend line is acting as support all the way from May 16th, continuing to act as support here, and also with this horizontal trend line. So very strong support here. Looking for a good bounce here from this 2580 level, and possibly retesting this resistance of 2925. So again, Ethereum kind of been in a channel the past couple of days. If we do fall below the support, looking for us to retest this 2440 level for a good DCA all the way down to 2180 if we do fall that low. But right now, looking for some good support here around this 2550 to 2600 level, and then hopefully continuing upward to that 2925 level. Now, last but not least is MATIC. So again, MATIC hasn't been doing too well. Performed strongly, a month ago. Now it's been kind of consolidating a lot. Really, we broke down this trends to this support level, and we reach this next support of $1.52, and it's been hovering around there. Now, if we do continue downward, which is very likely here, then I could see us flowing down to 122. So I don't want to do that, but again, it is very possible in the short term if we hit this level. Hopefully we can bounce from here, because this has been support on May 29th as well as May 25th. So if we can hold this support, looking for us to climb to this resistance of $1.77. So once we reclaim that, then we'll really, I think this will be a good launch pad for us to show all the way up to $2.30. So gonna have to keep an eye out for that. But again, could be some good DCAing opportunity here if we do get down to this $1.22 level. But with that, if y'all had any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I have the link above at the CryptoData, as well as contact me on Discord if you want to join my Discord group, or ask any questions if you have any for there as well. But with that, until next time, thanks for watching.